Hey guys, behind me I have a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Cargo 3500 170 extended wheelbase. Now this is the high roof model, and what's great about all of our vans is you can make them anything you need them to be for your specific application. Let me show you around this vehicle. In our high roof vans, they have over 76 inches inside interior walking space. We have the cup roof resistant flooring. We have paneling for the inside. Now you can also get this where you can input shelves, you can input racks, you have interior lighting back here as well. You can also have a bulkhead pass-through door system. So I'm 6'1" and I'm standing straight up and still have a few inches left in here. So even if you're a taller gentleman, taller lady, you can get in here, walk around and get your tools, your materials, whatever you need. We have multiple van options. We have the 1500, 2500, 3500, and then we also have our passenger vans as well. All of our vans come pre-wired for trailering. They can tow up to 5,000 pounds. The doors will open all the way around to make loading and unloading very easy and simple for you. These vans have 3 different engine options. We have a turbo gas 4-cylinder engine. We have a turbo diesel, and then we have the high efficiency turbo diesel as well. Our turbo diesels are able to put out the same horsepower as our 6-cylinder diesels used to. Depth fluid fill is right here under the hood, makes it really simple for you. If you're in the market for a Sprinter Cargo van or any van at all, you come see me. My name is Jake. I'm here at Mercedes-Benz of Selma.